Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to discuss the indefinite integration, lecture number 7. Now let's see. Our first integral is integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx, that is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Now this integral we have to prove. So how to prove this? Because all these integrals and all these properties are very important as the point of view of our examination. Okay, so let's see how to prove this. Start from that I is equal to integral of 1 upon x square plus a square dx. Now which method we have to use here? We have to use the substitution method here. Okay, यहाँ पे हमें जो मेथड यूज करना है, we have to use the substitution method, but we have to use the standard substitution while solving the integral here. For example, we can put x is equal to a sin theta, x is equal to a cos theta, x is equal to a tan theta, x is equal to a sec theta. So we have to use as per as our requirement. Okay, so here see, we have considered first the LHS of this example. So I is equal to integral of 1 upon x square plus a square dx. Now firstly we have to put, you can see here, that is x square. So first step we have to put x is equal to a tan theta. Okay, so we have to again write this x is equal to a tan theta, that is tan theta is equal to x upon a. That property is also given in your textbook. So when you see the video, that time you have to compare your textbook also. So we have to find out the value of theta here. Tan theta is equal to x upon a. So theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of x upon a. अब यहाँ पे हमें थीटा की वैल्यू मिल गई है, दैट इज tan इनवर्स ऑफ x अपॉन a. सबसे पहले क्या किया हमने, x की वैल्यू ली a tan थीटा, देन इससे tan थीटा निकाला, दैट इज x अपॉन a, और tan थीटा से हमें थीटा मिल गया, दैट इज tan इनवर्स x अपॉन a. नाउ here we have to find out the value of dx. So for this we have to differentiate x is equal to a tan theta. So differentiate, that is dx is equal to a is constant and the derivative of tan theta is what? That is sec square theta d theta. Okay, now substitute all these values, that is x is equal to tan theta and dx is equal to a sec square theta theta, that is in our LHS. Okay, so the equation is I is equal to integral of 1 upon, put the value of x square here, that is a square tan square theta plus a square, and we have to again put the value of dx, that is a sec square theta d theta. Okay, now that is equal to integral of, see here, a sec square theta d theta, that is in the numerator, and a square tan square theta plus a square that is in the denominator. So we have to take a square common in the denominator. Okay, so that is equation is what? A sec square theta, a square in bracket tan square theta plus 1 d theta. Okay, we know that tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta. So that is sec square theta and sec square theta will cancel. Okay, and that again a is cancelled with this a square. So final answer is what? That is 1 upon a integral of d theta. But so take the integral of d theta here. So 1 upon a integral of d theta is 1 upon a theta plus c. Now we have find out here the value of theta, that is tan inverse x upon a. We have to substitute here. So 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. So in this way we have to find out our integral, that is integral of 1 upon x square plus a square dx, that is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Now here you can see the alternate method for this same proof. So look here, that is alternately consider d by dx 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. So in this example we have taken the RHS first. Okay, first take the derivative of RHS. Okay, then we have to separate d by dx 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus d by dx c. Okay, now take the derivative of the first term. Okay, तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म क्या हो जाएगा? दैट इज 1 अपॉन ए 1 अपॉन ए देन 1 अपॉन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan इनवर्स x अपॉन a, that is 1 upon 1 plus x upon a whole square. Here we have to apply the formula 1 upon 1 plus x square, derivative of tan inverse x. Okay, and the derivative of x by a, what it is? 1 upon a, and the derivative of constant is 0. So we will get the answer here now. The final answer 1 upon x square plus x square. So you can use the first method by considering the LHS. Otherwise you have to use this